Hi, my name is Aureliana Cerón Rosada. I am a student of Corporación Universitaria del Caribe SECAR. In this video, I have prepared a class about word stress. Let's start. Hello, my dear students. Welcome to your English phonetics class. I hope you are very good in this beautiful day. Today, we will see and learn about the word stress. Now, do you know what word stress means? Well, we can say that it's one of the most important points in English pronunciation, since it allows us to understand when we speak. Look at the following words: difficult, country, driver, notebook, watermelon, happy, agree, energy, hospital, beautiful, engineer, police. Do you notice anything particular or special in these words? Let's look again at the previous words: difficult, country, driver, notebook, watermelon, happy, agree, energy, hospital, beautiful, engineer, police. Each word has two or more syllables. One of them is pronounced stronger, while the other are pronounced with less force. So, what is the word stress? Well, word stress is called the greatest force that is made when pronouncing a syllable. But there are some words that are written the same, and when pronounced with the correct stress, they have a different meaning. This happens with some homophone words, especially with nouns and verbs. Look at the following examples: desert, desert, contract, contract, object, object, project, project, convict, convict, present, present, suspect, suspect, record, record. The stress of the nouns is in the first syllable, while the verbs, it is in the second syllable. Okay, now I'm going to leave you a workshop to check what you have learned. First, look at each word, pronounce it, and locate the syllable in which the greatest force is made. What is the stress in the following words? Second, with the words seen in the class examples, write sentences using especially nouns and verbs. And third, and now we are going to do a challenge called the noun, verb, adjective challenge, in which you will select a song or reading of your liking, in English obviously. You will search for the nouns, verbs, and adjectives found in it, and you will point the stress of every word. The student with the highest number of words will win the challenge. That is all for today. See you next class. Thank you.